Atlantic puffins arrive back on Shetland in April, and they're now in the middle of their breeding season. They spend more than 2/3 of their year out on the open ocean, and like all seabirds, return to land for one thing only: to raise their chicks. Puffins are monogamous breeders, and to stay safe from predators, they nest underground in cliff-top burrows. They can be preyed on by otters. Aquatic specialists, when the opportunity arises, otters are known to prey on rabbits, frogs, eggs, and birds.